Hell yeah, Foxbody Friday. Got that car unloaded. That wasn't easy. Empty trailer, ready to go. That's a roller-ish. Wait till you see what we got next. Ooh. Well, here it is, man. A little diamond in the rough found in the backwoods here, no more than 10 minutes away from the shop. Celine staggered and replica wheels, Ttop 85 GT. Pretty cool. Now will it run? No. Oh, get it, girl.
Sad that you hear it.
It's still running. Uh-oh.
I know he's in position. It used to have good tires on it.
It did. Well, here it is, guys. I drove it from the other shop over here. Wasn't a great experience, gotta tell you. Motor had plenty of power, but the transmission just did not want to go into gear. That automatic, it's toasted. It does not go into reverse. It goes forward, barely. But it does run and drive. It stopped, it steered, did that important stuff. Interior's not bad. Held together okay. Got to put that door armrest back on there. The Ttop assembly's cool. Pull those out for the first time in God only knows how long. It's really not too bad. As far as 85 Ttop Mustangs go. What do you guys think? Not a bad second car. This is definitely the best deal of 2020 for us. About that Ttop life lately. What you guys got? Show me what you're working on. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. Always more coming. All right. Let's try it again. What you got there? Reverse? Reverse. Let's see it. Give a little gas. There you go. All right. Brake. Put it in drive. Put off brake. Oh, buddy, right away. Yes, sir. Brake. Hard. Nice. Now to put an exhaust on it.
That's the spring slayer from that one.
Okay. All right. Had to add some transmission fluid to the mix, but let's see if it'll move. See if she'll drive again. No. There it goes. Hopefully we tightened up the rear end. Doesn't sound too bad. A Ttop Thursday. Ttop Thursday. First drive. Gonna take it to the house. Oh yeah. You won't need those where you're going. Careful, don't slam on the brakes. Those T-tops will smash you and each other. Shift. Ah, there we go. It shifted.